Marketer Training by George Pierce presents How to build a website in less than 5 minutes without spending any money. We are going to be using Simple Site for our free web hosting. 2 things that make Simple Site special are ease and speed. Artificial intelligence literally builds your site. All you do is answer the questions. You can build whatever kind of site that you need, and as you are about to see, you can build it in minutes. Go to simplesite.com and choose the kind of a site that you want. Hit continue. Add your contact information. Next, introduce yourself and your business to your new customers. Name your new site. Register and sign up. Simple Site will help with your images. Type in the kind of image that you want. Select the one you like and Simple Site will do the rest. Simple Site makes adding pages effortless. Simply fill in the information and follow the step-by-step directions. In less than 5 minutes, even if you are a total beginner, your website is complete and professional. Simple Site is really the easiest and fastest way to build your website, and it is free. Go to simplesite.com. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn the like button black. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, be sure to join so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. Watch this video next.